How's it guys? Welcome to the Ezeetrade workshop. Today I want to discuss these new driving plates for the Ezeestart systems. This is a 45cc driving plate actually, and it sits on your flywheel. We're busy porting, well we just finished porting this 45, so I thought I'll just do it to this driving plate. But yeah, this is the new Ezeestart system, and it runs on these little dog bones. Now a common problem we have with the stock ones, sorry I've already taken this thing apart, but the common problem we have with these stock ones is that they scrape there at the bottom, and if a little bit of dust builds up, then they get stuck in their position there. So next time you try and pull your pull start, it doesn't work, it doesn't jump back. So what I do is, while it's in there, I mark it, as you can see, with a permanent marker, exactly the travel of these little dog bones. And then all it is at the back, it's got a little E-clip and a washer. So you just pull that E-clip and washer off, then this dog bone comes out. Then what we do is we use a pencil grinder, dremeling tool, and then we dremel out. If you can see this side, I already finished doing it. We dremel out like a millimeter of the metal here. So there's a slight gap underneath the dog bone. And then we also take the dog bone, and you see this is very rough, the molding on it. So we smooth that out completely with the dremeling tool, so that when it moves over, it's very smooth. And then also we use a polishing tool to polish it up nicely, so these dog bones move freely, never ever get stuck. And if dirt and grime gets stuck underneath, the next time it opens up, when you are running the motor, the next time it opens up, it will automatically flush out that dirt into that groove and out of this hole. You can even make this whole oblong, to make the dust fall out easier, but just that small little grinding there inside already makes a world of difference, and you won't have Ezeestart pull start issues. These pull starters are really awesome, they really work well. This is the only design fault on it that we modify a little bit, and then you got a really good pull start ready to go. I hope this has helped somebody, and may you have good playtime. Till next time.